Okay, so good morning students. Now we will discuss our next exercise of cube and cube root, that is exercise 4.2. So in this first question we have to find the cube root of the numbers by using the prime factorization. So suppose one number is there 5832 and we have to find its cube root. So what we will do, first we will do the prime factorization of this number like usually we are doing. Okay, like this, as you already knew, it is prime factorization. Then next step, what I have told you, we will write the numbers like this, all the prime factors we will write. So 3 times 2 and 6 times 3 is there. Okay. So whenever you find the cube root of the number using the prime factorization, it will be your first step. Then you will write the number like this. Now we will form the groups of 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that all the groups have been formed and all the prime factors have been exhausted like this. So its cube root will be 18 like this. Okay. So this is how you can use the prime factorization method to calculate the cube root of a number. Okay. Suppose a number is like this. Okay. 27,000. Okay, so in the questions likes of this, what you can do to see, there are 3 zeros. So I can write this 27 into 1000 like this. Okay, then what you can do, you can also write it like this. We can write 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. Into this 1000 we will write like this, 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, like this. So you can also use this method to calculate the cube root whenever you have these zeros are there, 3 zeros, 6 zeros, 9 zeros are there. In that case you can separate the zeros and a number will be left. Then you can do the prime factorization of the number. Then you can split this 1000 into 10 to the power 3 like this. Okay, so this is how you can use the prime factorization method to calculate the cube root of the number. Wow. Next, suppose we have to find the cube root of this product. Okay, 16 cube into 7 cube. So like I have told you, we can separate these, or you can write it like this. 16 cube means 16 into 16 into 16 into 7 cube means 7 we will write 3 times. So if you see carefully, one group of 16 and one group of 7. So like this. Okay, so this will be your cube root. Okay, you just see it is cube. So I have written 16 cube as 3 times 16, then 7 cube as 3 times 7. So since you got two groups, so 16 will come here and 7. Okay, suppose we have to find the cube root of this product. So in that case, what we will do? Okay, we will do the prime factorization of 200 and prime factorization of 1080. So we can do the prime factorization like this. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 200 and prime factorization of 1080 we will do. So it is, pause करना इसको. So we will write the prime factorization of 1080 like this. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of 1080 and this is 200. Now we will write the like prime factors together, like 2 2s are there, then again 2 2s, then 3 5s and 3 3s, like this. Okay. So then 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 will come from here, 1 2 will come from here, then 1 5 and then 1 3. So what your answer will be? Your answer is 16. Okay. So this is how you can find the cube root of the product of two numbers.